Call the puppies, see if they'll come out, baby. Say, here, puppies. Maddie. I see. That one's cute, huh? Okay, put it down. Let's look at the other ones. Is that Cheyenne that's inside the kennel still? That's inside her house? Is that one Cheyenne?
That one's Cheyenne.
No.
No, it's not Cheyenne.
Nope, that one's not Cheyenne. Cheyenne's inside her house still.
The black one?
No, the one's sitting there looking at us.
Look out where your feet are going.
Be gentle with her.
That one?
Yes, baby, that's Cheyenne.
Ow!
They're trying to get you.
There it goes.
Be careful. Yeah, that one's Cheyenne. Be gentle.
This one's Cheyenne?
Yes. Okay, she doesn't like being held like that, baby head.
Put her down, sweetie.
Yeah, like, oh. Oh, Cheyenne. Oh, Cheyenne. I'll take you back up.
Be gentle.
How cute is she?
That's a he, baby.
How cute is she?
Pretty darn cute. All right, that's put him down.
He's a little stretchy.
A little stretchy.
Yeah, girl. Come out.
Gentle. Good job.
Come on, my baby. Puppy. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2.
Now, little Ethan is there.
They're all getting big, huh, baby?
Ow.
How old are they, Mom? 3 weeks? 4 weeks?
4.
4 weeks. Okay, baby, we're going to catch